biatch. Ever notice yard work is basically a ritual of chaos? Sprinklers attack, weeds plot revenge, garden gnomes conspire. Today, we're turning yard disasters into full-blown comedic magic. Come on, guys, you almost missed the landing. At least I got all my stuff. Oh, welcome back to Daily Chaos, where every weed, rogue sprinkler, and mischievous gnome become a chance for dramatic side-eye, exaggerated gestures, and unhinged hilarity. Today's episode, hilarious chaos while doing yard work. So grab your gloves and broomsticks. Chaos is growing wild. Yard chaos triggers include sprinklers that soak you instead of the lawn, weeds multiplying like they have a vendetta, lawnmowers making suspicious noises, and garden gnomes judging your life choices. Reaction options? Sigh and keep working. Boring. Dramatic side-eye at the garden. Excellent. Full, unhinged, witchy comedy mode. Preferred. Technique 1, the epic eye roll. Roll eyes like the lawn itself is mocking you. Technique 2, the narration hex. Breaking news, the weeds have officially declared war. Chaos ensues. Technique 3, over-the-top gestures. Flail your arms and wave your rake around like a wand. Dramatically trip over rogue hose. Technique 4, whispered commentary to the known judging my life. I see you. Technique 5, the recovery laugh. Hysterical laugh to release chaos energy. Do it all the time. Remind the universe you control the magic. You mean to tell me the sprinkler just drenched the cat and me while the weeds laugh silently? Classic daily chaos. Your comedic energy plus side-eye equals unstoppable. Even when your yard fights back, you laugh. Even when nature conspires, you remain magical. And your smirk? Legendary. Say this out loud. I turn yard chaos into laughter and magic. Again, my humor and energy are unshakable. Feel that? You just cast a hilarity spell over the garden apocalypse. Every rogue sprinkler, rogue weed, or lawnmower mishap equals a mini ritual. Dramatic sigh equals chaos release. Flailing hands equals energy cleansing. Side-eye at the yard equals magical armor. Turn mundane yard work into entertainment magic. Today's assignment. Pick one yard disaster. React over the top. Narrate like it's a theatrical comedy. Share your funniest reaction in the comments. I can't wait to see your reactions. Practice these. Dramatic eyebrow raise for every rogue sprinkler or weed. Whisper sarcastic commentary to the camera. Do it all the time. Pretend to cast chaos spells at lawnmowers, gnomes, and hoses. Your aura equals yard proof. Your energy equals hilarity maxed. All right, messy besties, that's enough from me today. Stay strong, stay messy, but don't forget your magic. I may be the witch, but you are the magic. You really are. If you need to summon me before tomorrow, you can find me on Facebook at the Carnivore Witch Drea. And if you subscribed and rang the bell, then you will be the one being summoned as soon as I upload another video, go live, or post a comment in the community here. Thank you for showing up today. Thank you for being brave enough to feel things with me. And thank you from the bottom of my deep, dark, purple loving heart for being part of this magical, messy community. It wouldn't be a community without you in it. Hopefully you give this video I made for you a thumbs up. And when you do, it means you liked it, and your like is your applause, and your applause tells the algorithm this is cool enough to share, and then shows this message to someone who needs humor in their daily chaos. If you made it this far, I want you to post the words "yaw yikes" down in the comments below. Just a little something we do around here to keep you guys on your toes. And as always, I love you, Messy Bestie. If no one told you today they love you, then no, I told you first. There goes my damn AirPods, needing a charge. Your chaos, laughter, and magic are unstoppable, Bestie. I'll see you tomorrow.